you some pre-shopping for our Walt Disney World trip. We leave in about 6 days. We are so excited. There's still some last minute things that we need, so we're gonna take you guys along with us. We need some new clothes. We basically got all of our travel essentials when we went on our cruise last month, but there are still a few things that we need. So the first thing we're gonna do is go get some lunch because we're absolutely starving. One of my favorite places is Zupas, so we're gonna go get something from there. And then there's a whole shopping center in town where we live, so we're probably gonna hit up Kohl's, Old Navy, there's a Target in there, Ross, TJ Maxx, all those places, and then we have to run to Walmart just for some things that we need. So as we look at the weather, it looks like we might have to pack a little bit of everything because the weather in Florida, if any of you have ever been, is very unpredictable, and right now it says there's gonna be like scattered thunderstorms when we go. So I'm definitely gonna order ponchos off of Amazon. We bought ponchos 2 years ago when we went to Disney World, and I don't feel like we ended up using it, actually, did we?
Not at Disney World. I think we used them at Disneyland afterwards.
Yeah, we definitely used them at Disneyland. I love the Disney branded ones because they're super nice and super thick. However, sometimes I don't like, because they are reusable, if they're still wet and you have to put them in your bag and whatnot. So I'm just gonna order some disposable ones. I'll definitely be buying those on Amazon. I buy everything off Amazon. All right, off we go. Going to Zupas, getting a salad.
It's our favorite healthy type lunch.
Yes.
Normally we go to Cane's, but we're trying to be healthy.
Healthy before we eat a bunch of food at Walt Disney World.
I got a Chipotle chicken salad. It's probably literally the best salad I've ever had in my entire life from Zupas. I also got a brisket grilled cheese, and Megan got a Chipotle chicken salad as well. And they give you little chocolate covered strawberries with every meal here in a little roll. This is literally like one of our favorite restaurants in town. It's got some pretty good healthy options. The food also tastes extremely good.
All right, you ready?
Yep, here's the Kohl's.
Let's head to Kohl's, see what we can find first. Some shorts.
I like things that are nice and flowy, soft.
Some t-shirts.
Perfect for Florida.
Trying to find Brandon some shorts because we just mentioned it's gonna be hot. It's already hot in Arizona. It's like 95 out. So that's what we're looking at Kohl's. All right, I think we're having some luck here. Brandon hasn't tried anything on yet, but
yeah, we'll see how much luck.
We are grabbing lots of stuff.
We got a lot of options.
They do have a lot of options. All the graphic tees, however, over here are all like a size small. So everybody must wear Brian's size in town. Did some damage at Kohl's.
All right, got a big bag full of stuff.
Big bag.
Kohl's surprisingly had a great selection for men's clothes. I always have the hardest time finding anything that's comfortable or that I like at any stores that I actually shop at. Online, I have a hard time shopping too because I just don't know how things fit. Going to Kohl's has actually been surprisingly good. They've had good variety, good brands. Prices are not bad, pretty successful.
Yep, pretty good. All right, you know, TJ Maxx has just the cutest stuff. Look at how beautiful this Cinderella teapot is. So cute. All right, let's go see if we can find Brian. Supposed to be shopping for our Disney World trip, and we ended up over here. And here is an update. So we went to Kohl's, we went to TJ Maxx, we went to Ross.
Yep, Kohl's for men. Kohl's was by far the best selection.
I found like a few things at Kohl's, just not what I'm looking for, like cute everyday clothes, but I'm looking for comfortable clothes for Walt Disney World. I did just go to Ross and find a bunch of t-shirts, literally so cheap. They're like $7. Bunch of little Disney design t-shirts, crop tops to wear. I had bought a bunch of different skirts on Amazon that are for the trip. I started wearing them on the Disney cruise that we went on, and they were so comfy and they look really cute and flattering. So that's what I'll be wearing now. We might be off to Target, then Walmart. Next up is Target. We're looking at things that, once again,
have nothing to do with travel.
Have nothing to do with travel. How can you not? We have a super Target. We're like looking at cups. Brian's throwing a bunch of things in the cart. Can't wait to get some Disney merch next week. Yeah.
They have a bunch of Legos. They have a whole Star Wars section over here.
Oh, super cute.
Which princess?
Oh my gosh, look at how cute. Look at her. All right, we found a few cute things. Avery some shorts. Look at how cute this shirt is for her. And okay, look at how cute I found this outfit separately. So here's like an Ariel shirt with a little shell, and look at this skirt. Super cute. It's like super flowy in the front. And then I found her an Aristocrat shirt. It's actually gonna match with one of my shirts. And then just a bunch of random stuff. Why is shopping for little ones so much more fun? Candy aisle. Grabbing some of these are perfect for the airplane to take on the plane, especially because they're a lot more inexpensive than it is to buy airplane candy. What'd you find there?
Found some confetti cake flavored pancake mix. Because literally anything confetti cake is like amazing.
All right, y'all, does this look like we're going to Disney World?
We have to eat healthy before we go to Disney.
Shopping, lettuce to crumble. More things. Look how good these look, though. All right, we finally made it back home. We're going to show Avery what we got. Are you ready? All right.
Seashell.
What is that? A seashell. Wow. Does that look like Ariel?
Yeah. But it's
Yeah. Look at how pretty. Look at the front of it. Wow, isn't it pretty? Look, it matches this. Then you could be Ariel. You see? Oh, look at how cute you guys. Has little flowy things on the front. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Who is that?
Marie.
Marie. All right, is there one more thing in there? What's that one? Oh, my favorite, Snow White. Put up against you, it's a little crop top. Wow, so cute. How cute. You look just like Ariel, don't you?
Seashell.
A seashell.
Seashells are
And
my
look
favorite.
it's like all, has shorts underneath, huh?
Is there a pocket in the shorts?
I don't know, there might be a pocket.
No.
Let me see. Wow, so cute. All right, now what is this?
Marie.
A Marie shirt, very cute. Ooh, I am loving this one. That is my favorite Princess Snow White. Very nice little outfit. Got shorts, those are for gymnastics, and actually they fit you great to wear as shorts, huh?
What does it say? This.
The whole thing, it says Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Like there's Dopey, my favorite.
That kind of looks like a leprechaun outfit.
He does look like a leprechaun outfit, huh? We are officially done with our shopping for Disney World. Yep. Avery already has some of her outfits on. I want to come on here and show you guys what I got. The first thing I got is this crop top. It's like Steamboat Willie Mickey shirt. So, so cute. Another thing that I got actually matches Avery's shirt. Look at how cute this Aristocrat shirt is. So I got this Aristocrat, and Avery was able to find hers at Target, huh? So we're gonna be matching. This one has Paris on it. So I'm thinking of wearing it probably in Epcot next week. One of the other things I got is a Marvel shirt. It's also kind of like a shorter crop top shirt. Has Spider-Man on it. You like it?
No, Pizza Planet.
I'm so
first.
excited for this one.
Pizza Planet.
Look at how cute. Pizza Planet has the aliens on it. Perfect for Hollywood Studios, you guys. I lucked out at Ross. These were all like $7 at Ross. So we are so excited to bring you along with us, right? Where are we gonna bring them along with us? On the plane ride?
Yeah.
Yep. And then on all the days that we're there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? You think so?
Yeah.
Okay, what are you gonna film specifically?
Uh,
What's your favorite part to film? Maybe on the rides? Yeah, screaming on the rides? Think so? Yeah, that's a great idea. We're gonna take you to the airport, all the things. We have Mears Connect, which is the transportation that we're taking from the airport to the Disney Resort at Walt Disney World. We have a full 8 days in Walt Disney World. I can't wait to show you guys everything that we're gonna do, huh? So if you're looking to go on a Disney vacation, make sure to fill out a quote. Also make sure to check out our Instagram. We post on there every single day. We post videos, stories, all the things, keep you guys up to date on everything that happens in our daily life. If you give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe to our YouTube channel because we have so much more to come. we're so excited to bring you guys more stuff, right? All right, hello again, everybody. It is a few days after our little shopping spree. We did a few more last minute errands, including going to Old Navy, Walmart, Target, a few other things. I'm gonna show you guys what is in the bags that we got. And here I just got, maybe got a few things. I also got a few t-shirts. From Walmart, we grabbed some last minute things. This is great for the airplane. We have baby wipes, can't live without those. The number one thing that we bring for ourselves to Walt Disney World is Liquid IV. Now, this is the kids version. We bring kids and adult version of Liquid IV. There's some scrunchies, deodorant, you know, random things. And then in here, we grabbed some snacks. We weren't too prepared this last time that we flew, and we were literally like starving. So we got some nuts, some Pop-Tarts, some things for Avery, some candies to snack on. And then we also got these Gatorade packets that will be great for putting in our bag for the parks, because it is going to be really hot when we go to Orlando. One other thing that I highly suggest getting for yourself if you're going to Florida in the time of it might be raining, definitely grab some ponchos. I found these on Amazon. Comes with a pack of like, I think there's 5 in here, and it was like $9. Another thing that we like to bring on the airplane is our Switch. So we just got this little packet for it. It's so cute. It has a little casing part for our little games. We all can play it while we're on the airplane, and then also if Avery just wants to play it by herself, then she can. All right, in case you guys want to know, Brian's behind me on the camera holding our ring light.
So we got some Jolly Rancher gummies. So every time we travel, we always like something a little bit sweet, a little bit sour. We usually go for like Skittles gummies or Lifesaver gummies, but we saw these while we were at Walmart, and they look super good. And has any of you guys tried these before? We've never tried them, but they look really good, and we're really excited to pop them open on the airplane.
Do look really good. I grabbed our bag of Liquid IV, but Avery's Liquid IV is the kids version. She likes the cotton candy flavor. This we found at Walmart. It's pretty inexpensive. It comes with 8 little packets. What you don't want to buy anyplace else except for Costco is the adult version of Liquid IV. If you literally buy a packet like this from a place like Walmart or Target, it's going to be like 3 times the amount that it is at Costco. So we buy these giant bags from Costco. This is actually a new flavor we got called Sea Berry. And then we also have strawberry and cherry. Now, these are always needed when you're going to Orlando during the summer and it's hot, or anywhere in Florida. A lot of times what happened to us 2 years ago when we went is you feel fine for a couple days, you don't feel like you're dehydrated, and then it's just gonna hit you like a ton of bricks and you're gonna feel absolutely terrible, super dehydrated, and like just burnt from the sun and all the things. So that's one of our favorite things. And of course, what I just showed is one of these 0 sugar Gatorades. Now, we always bring in like a big water bottle with us. If you don't know, in the Disney parks, you can bring in your own refillable waters, and they have a bunch of different places to refill them throughout the parks. And on a side note, because we live in Arizona, we literally drink one of these every single day because it's really, really hot here, just like it is in Florida. However, Florida is super humid compared to Arizona, so it's a different kind of heat. So we have some stuff already laid out. And what I like to do is write down exactly what we're doing each day. So fly out, Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, tour. This is something I'm so excited to show you guys. It's kind of a little secret. Hollywood Studios, Disney Springs, Epcot, and then fly out. And then this makes sure that I don't overpack anything. So far we have Magic Kingdom right here, Animal Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, we have Epcot, have a tour that I'm doing, have some swimsuits, of course. I always bring some extra t-shirts and a pair of like biker shorts and this cute little outfit. The biker shorts, a shirt. This is for Disney Springs. So I like to lay it out like this. Brian has the same stuff over here, kind of all laid out so that, you know, it's easier to just grab and pack. All right, my friends, the time has finally come. We leave tomorrow super early in the morning. It's almost like we leave tonight because it's gonna be so early. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna see if we can fit most of our luggage, or actually all of our luggage, in these 3 luggages that we have here. These 2 we brought on the cruise. It's our big ones. We do have a small one for Avery. We also have an extra one. We're hoping everything fits in just the 2 big ones. We're gonna be gone for 8 days. Let's see if we can fit everything in these. All right, Avery did her own packing herself for her little baby Jerry. What do we have here?
Suitcase.
A mini pink suitcase, very nice. And what is this?
A backpack that has school stuff in it, and a snack for the airplane.
Snack for the airplane. Is Jerry ready to go? Let me see. This is Jerry. Somehow we were able to fit literally all of our clothes in just one side of this. This is about 6 packing cubes. They work absolutely fantastic. We need to put ears, my purse on this side, and then of course we still have this big guy. I might put toiletries and stuff like that in there because this is pretty heavy over here. Toiletries in here, I feel like it's gonna make this bag a little too heavy. So we're trying to be better prepared this time for the airport, just in case we get stuck at an airport like we did our last trip. We were stuck in Houston, Texas for like 7 or 8 hours. And try to be a little bit more prepared with snacks, because if you guys do or don't fly often, snacks and food at airports are literally so expensive, like super expensive. It's like $17 for some pistachios. So unless you don't want to pay those prices, bring some snacks with you. So right now, Avery has a little bag that I have filled up. That's for her backpack. Can you tell me what's in it?
Yes, please.
Got some sour gummies.
Gummy worms.
Gummy worms. This is for Brian and I too. We have a yogurt pouch. These are the ones that don't have to go in the fridge. She has some muffins, some Ritz crackers, some goldfish, yeah, and then a Gushers. A lot of sweet things. Obviously, this all will not be eaten, and then Brian and I are eating some of it, but just an idea of things to bring on the airplane. Now, this is Brian and I, our bag. Got some of those Ritz bits. We do also have these Fit Crunch bars that we really love.
And then
They have 16 grams of protein. And then we also have these wholesome nut mix so that we have some things to eat. Our first flight does have a layover in Kansas City, I believe it is. And the layover is really, really short. So we're hoping to hop on the next plane, which means we probably won't have a chance to grab some food. Fingers crossed we will be able to, because we don't like to skip meals. So we're hoping some of this can help us out while we're flying. This one's looking pretty good so far. All of our clothes and everything are in here. There's random snacks, extra shoes, and of course a billion ears. But I have a feeling this is really heavy, so I'm not gonna put the heavy stuff in here. We still have this whole thing, and the only thing we have left is like toiletries and electronics and stuff, and then extra room because obviously we're gonna bring home souvenirs. So we might get away with just these two. Let's weigh this guy to find out. All right, here we go again, moment of truth. Let's see how much this guy weighs.
Like 48 pounds.
48?
Yeah.
All right.
Borderline.
Borderline might be good. You think
we're
so?
okay.
All right. Okay, so a few more things that I want to show you guys is stuff that is essential in our toiletry bag. Things that we bring on every vacation and things that we've learned from going to Orlando. So in this bag is basically all your essentials. We always make sure we bring a large sunscreen, especially because it is the summertime in Orlando. You know, all of our shampoo, conditioners, all the extra things. Here's a couple things that we always also bring. These are fever patches. This is a thermometer. You never know what might happen. Actually, the last time we went to Walt Disney World, Avery got super sick at the end of the trip, and we had to literally go out and buy a thermometer and these, and it was just crazy. So I always make sure I bring those. I bring extra Band-Aids. I'm gonna bring these this time. This is what I brought on the cruise, these motion sickness patches, specifically for the airplane. Sometimes I get motion sickness on the airplane. Of course, we have face sunscreen, just all the things. All right, my friends, we are in the car. It's a tradition that, say hi.
We're at Cane's.
We're at Cane's. We always eat out the night before we go on vacation so that there is nothing to clean up in the kitchen. Here we have it. We have some Cane's chicken. If you guys don't have it where you're from, it's very good, delicious. Basically just has chicken strips, fries, Texas toast, and
Cane's sauce.
Cane's sauce, which is like the best thing ever.
We're obsessed with Cane's. We can eat it like literally every day. It's so good. All three of us like it, which is a big thing. Yeah, it's by our house
And
now.
it's by our house.
We have a new nice location right by our house.
We do, it's great. All right, friends, well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this packing video. We have lots more to come. We're gonna be in Disney World for over a week, and I cannot wait to show you guys all the content that we're gonna get there. And it starts in about 7 or 8 hours.